You blew me away.
I can blow you away.
Edition, ang daming mga nakarecognize sa amin. Nagkaroon kami ng fan page, maraming followers sa Facebook, Twitter, yan, sa Instagram. Ito po ang isa sa mga kinatatakot ko na biktima ko ng snatcher. Nakipaglaban, nakaladkad ng motor, sana mag-ilo na siya para hindi maging hindrance para mag-perform ako ng mabuti. Pero dapat fight ang fight.
I-level up na natin, gawin na nating wow, Diyosa, lahat ng magaganda.
Surprise, abangan nyo na lang.
Mga kapamilya, sit back, relax, and enjoy as they blow us away once again. Give it up for Angel, Marico, and Mia, also known as The Mistress!
I can't handle this thing called love. I must get out of it. I ain't ready. There's a little thing called love. This thing called love is right. In a pain all night it swings, it shines. It swings so low like a million fish. I gotta like it, like it. Little thing called love. There goes my baby. She knows how to rock and roll. She drives me crazy. She gives me hot and cold feeling. She let me cuckoo sweat. I gotta be too relax and hold my strength. Take the backseat inside. Take a long, long ride on my motorbike. Kind of like it. Crazy little thing called love. 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 Crazy little thing. Crazy little thing. Crazy little thing called love.
The Mistress! Maraming salamat sa inyo, Mistress. Pero bago ang lahat, nakita natin sa VTR, Marico, may unfortunate incident na nangyari sa'yo recently. Kung hindi kami nagkakamali last week,
Yes.
pwede pa isang mabilis na kwento sa aming lahat ulit?
Nakipagrambulan ako sa isang snatcher. Ayan lang.
Nakapagrambulan
And then,
ka
nakipagrambulan ako sa motor, nakaladkad ako, nahuli ko siya, flying kick, Cynthia Laster, akala niya babae ako. Lalaki pala.
Good job! Nice one!
Nice one, nice one. Judges, bakulaw ba sila ngayon sa performance nila?
First question, amin ba yung mga mic or dala niyo yan?
Sa inyo po.
Beautiful. Meron talagang level up na nagaganap ngayon, di ba? Pero kayo, you all became more beautiful. Yun talaga kasi parang nung audition, di ba? Parang animal print ang suot nyo. Ngayon, mukhang mahal na kayo talaga. And normally kasi, di ba, pag ganito kalaki yung audience and live ang performance, kinakain yung words dahil ninenervyos. Sa inyo, very clear diction at malinis na malinis lahat ng tones. You did yourselves very, very proud tonight.
Salamat po, Ma'am Chris. Thank you po.